In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you need to share your spreadsheets with colleagues or work with them offline in Microsoft Excel. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheets document open and ready to go. Once you're there, take a look at the menu options at the top of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled File on the upper left corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, hover over Download, which brings you to a secondary menu. Here you'll see various formats to choose from, but for our purpose, we're interested in the Microsoft Excel option. Click on that, and your Google Sheets file will start downloading in Excel format. Now, as for the location where your file lands, it mainly depends on your browser settings. Some of you might have your downloads configured to go to a specific folder, while others might have them set to save directly to the desktop. For demonstration purposes, let's say you're saving it to your desktop. This way, it's easy to locate right after downloading. Once the download process wraps up, you have a couple of ways to open the file. You can navigate directly to your desktop if that's where you saved it. Alternatively, if you find it quicker, you could use the Downloads icon on your browser, usually found near the upper right corner of your screen. Either option works fine. Let's go ahead and open the Excel file. Whether you're opening it from your desktop or the Downloads icon, simply double-click the file. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets document is now successfully converted into an Excel file, with all your formatting intact. You can scroll through the document to verify that everything looks just as it did in Google Sheets, ensuring no loss of styling or data during the transition. And that's all there is to it, folks. A simple and effective way to convert your Google Sheets to Excel without losing any formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward guides just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.